This is the 2018 Honda CR-V LX. You'll notice you'll have LED daytime running lights. Power window, door locks, and mirror controls. You'll also have steering wheel controls to answer your phone calls, as well as use the button for voice commands, cruise control. You'll also have a backup camera, ability to connect in to Bluetooth devices, Econ mode, electronic brake and brake hold, power port, cup holders, and in the center console, you'll notice an adjustable and removable tray. Allows you access to more power ports as well as a USB port. Place to store your sunglasses, as well as a mirror to check the back seat. You'll notice the capless fuel filler. All-weather floor mats in the back as well as in the front. The backup camera. All-weather cargo mat in the back as well. And under here, you'll have a spare tire as well as the tools. Also have these convenient latches, which will fold the seats down. This is the 2018 Honda CR-V LX.